Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back once again to another video for Cliqly. This is Marybeth Angelelli. So glad that you made it here, and you probably are here because you're out there, you're doing your research, you're doing your due diligence, and you are wondering, is this real? Does this work? Can I do this? And can I make money with it? And my response to all of that is absolutely, positively. This is so simple. It requires no special skills whatsoever, no special education, and anybody and everybody can do this. Okay? It's just a matter of showing up every single day, being able to follow some simple instructions, some simple step-by-step training, and taking action, committing, and being consistent, folks. Anybody can send out a simple email. And that's primarily what we are doing each and every single day through the list building side of the business. Now, I have some exciting updates to share with you because now in recent times we have been seeing momentum, traction, and very promising results with our CPA offers. So this is something I'm going to be focusing more on in the days and weeks ahead, especially now since we are officially have entered into the busy season. Next 3 months, folks, are going to be amazing. We are now in our final quarter, the final stretch of 2023, and this has been an amazing opportunity. I'm so thankful, feeling so blessed that I was introduced to this way back in the spring. I actually got started officially with Cliqly back in April. So for me, I have crossed over my 6-month threshold, and I can come in here with complete transparency, full honesty, and let you know that this does work. I've done very well with it. Matter of fact, if you go through my website, you can see what's possible. Now, income disclaimer, I can't, of course, make any claims, guarantees, or promises to anybody of any income. Results are not typical. My results are not typical, and they're going to vary largely upon your efforts, your marketing efforts, okay? So just wanted to share that with you, but you can see what's possible because when you come through my website, you will see my bridge page and you'll see what I was able to accomplish in month number 1, which has been pretty incredible. And I have been getting paid, folks, just for the record, I have been getting paid every single week since I have been part of Cliqly, since I joined, okay? I've been working this business. I've crossed over that $300 weekly threshold every week, and it has earned me a very nice commission check paid out at the end of every week, folks. So from a member's perspective, folks, I want to let you know this is the real deal. It works if you work it, and I have had no issues whatsoever in getting my weekly commission payments. So without further ado, let's get into the good stuff, folks. This is the back office. So easy to navigate your way around. Very user-friendly, very functional, very newbie-friendly back office, okay? Just takes commitment, time, and, setting your priorities where they need to be set so that you can accomplish your goals with Cliqly. Okay, so back here, folks, every single week, Monday, Bobby, the owner, goes live. If you're not able to make the trainings, folks, they're all recorded. They're all here. All the recent ones, see, live trainings, okay? And recently, particularly this training, which has been recorded and uploaded on the 28th of September, Bobby has started to go into greater detail and provide more training on the CPA offers. Now, if you don't know what CPA stands for, that's cost per click. There's many different offers that you can integrate into your daily email sends. And if somebody makes a purchase, then you earn a commission, okay? And these have been tested, they've been proven, and the ones that are working and pulling are being offered up as recommendations. Okay, so again, I'm going to be getting more into this, but the training is right here, folks. Okay, there's many of you that are visual learners, step-by-step video training tutorials, and they're here for you to utilize to the fullest. And then I recommend going right out there, right into the marketplace, and taking what you're learning and applying it and implementing it. That's what I always preach, folks. I practice what I preach, okay? You don't want to give up. You don't want to quit. You've got to show up every single day and work your business. Treat Cliqly like a real business, folks. And you would be surprised where you can possibly be a month from now, 3 months from now, and like me, 6 months from now, okay? We had our most recent training this past Monday. Every single Monday, folks, see October 2nd, it was recorded, and there's going to be more information and training integrated into the most recent training on the CPA offer. So if that's something that piques your interest and your desire, I would highly encourage you to embark upon it. That's what I'm going to be doing, okay? So as you can see, folks, welcome to the live training and updates area. So this is all the training videos, okay? So you can come on down here. There's, testimonials. You can check out. There's a testimonials page, all kind of great stuff, okay? See, there's Bobby. I mean, he continues to come back, folks, and he does in-depth trainings. He goes into great detail because he really wants everybody to win and everybody to succeed, okay? And by making good utilization out of a true expert in this email marketing field, folks, you'd be surprised what you can learn, folks. And remember, knowledge is a great thing to acquire because knowledge is power. Take the knowledge, take the training, and go out there. Use it for your greater good to the fullest and apply it and implement it and keep coming back every single day and working your Cliqly business, okay? Keep working at it, keep striving, keep grinding. Very easy business, folks, okay? There's lots of different options on packages. These are optional packages that you can invest in, and I would definitely recommend doing that. See, we've got a video here. We have lots of different packages that you can consider purchasing and investing in yourself, investing in your Cliqly business to build, grow, and scale it over time. Just do what you can, folks. Do not overextend yourself, okay? Just set a realistic budget, set realistic goals, and work at your own pace, okay? Because, for example, your day one results are going to vary. They're going to look different than my month 6 results, okay? But everybody starts from scratch. Everybody starts from somewhere in Cliqly, folks. The main thing is just get started, okay? Just get started because this can become a very nice supplemental income source for you and for your family, folks. It has that potential. It has that potential, okay? See, here's all the trainings, the 25th, the 18th, the 11th. They're all here. The recent ones for the previous month are all here, uploaded, and available and accessible for you, okay, to be able to use to your fullest advantage for your best potential, okay? So coming back here, folks, welcome to the team. Here's an in-depth system walkthrough. Here's a guide that I would highly encourage you to review and analyze. Review it a couple times if need be, okay? All this information's here, and it's not going anywhere. You can use this as a reference guide any time of the day or night. You can watch those training videos multiple times, as many times as you need to. Something I might suggest to you that's worked for me is to watch them, and as you're going through them, take notes, okay? And then you'll have reference points to use and to be able to come back to and refresh your memory if need be. And then as you are executing, applying, and implementing it into your business, folks, it's going to become easier and easier and easier. You're going to get more comfortable. You're going to get more confident. You're going to love this. You're going to become addicted to it just like I have. One of the simplest opportunities I've ever been a part of, folks, and I see so many people winning. If you're an action taker, if you can make a commitment, small sacrifices, prioritize in alignment with your goals, folks, and just be consistent. Work your business, follow the training, show up for the trainings. If you can't show up for the trainings on Mondays for whatever reason, if you're working, if you're busy with your family, whatever, if your schedule doesn't permit, they're recorded. Just log into your back office, folks, and watch them and use them, okay? That would be my best advice. So what I do every single day is I focus on the Click side of the business, which is the Cliqly list building, where you can send up to 500,000 emails every day to build your list. That's very important. And then I also come in here to the Cliqly Pro, and depending what tier you're at, you can send up to 1 million emails a day to your openers list from this page, folks. This is very easy. These are pre-written emails, a wide variety. You just go in and you pick the subject line, you pick the email, and then you designate how many you want to send out, and you put you can put your first name, folks, and you push a send button. That's how quick and easy this is. Super, super duper simple, folks, okay? Now, for those of you who want to build your business and grow it faster, we have the tier jumper option available where you can instantly add thousands of openers to your list. So if you have the resources, the monetary financial resources to do such, to invest in yourself, and if you don't have them when you first get started, folks, don't let it hold you back. Don't let it be a deterrent. As you start making money, as you start taking and receiving those wonderful weekly commissions, reinvest a percentage back into, for example, a tier jumper package or any one of those different packages that are available. Most of them have been provided to us at very nice summer discounts, okay? So I've taken advantage of those, and, it's worked very well for me, has served me very well. So I do the clicks every day. I follow this particular approach along with this particular approach. And of course, I do share it as well. I mean, as an affiliate, why not? It's a great business. I mean, it's helping so many people. And you earn $97 for every paid sign up. Every person that upgrades and becomes a paid member, you earn $97 commissions. So we have 3 ways of earning through the click side of the business. Now through the CPA offers that are really taken off. Again, I'm going to be moving more into that direction very soon. And then the affiliate side, folks. Share it, advertise, all that good stuff. I have a great funnel that's working well. It's been tested. It's been proven. It converts great. And I just invite you to click on the link below. You may need, to type it into your browser, and no worries. You'll also find my contact information below. Text me. Call me if you need to, but everything is pretty self-explanatory, pretty automated, very easy. I have other Cliqly videos out there that you can check, but if you want to see proof, the proof is in the pudding, and like they always say, documentation beats conversation. You'll see what's possible. You'll see my first month results within my funnel when you come through it, okay? So I do encourage you to do that. That way you can watch the sales videos, you can, listen to testimonials inside on the sales page, and then as soon as you're ready, you can get started, you can upgrade, and you definitely want to upgrade because that's the only way you're going to be able to take advantage, have everything unlocked for you so you can use all of these wonderful features and so that you could start earning weekly commissions. You have to be a paid member in order to start earning weekly commissions. So I would encourage you to give consideration, move in that direction. It's only going to cost you $97 to get started. In my opinion, in my personal opinion, that is such a small price to pay for the potential of success with Cliqly, with the Cliqly email marketing system, okay? So we also have this Mountain Climber email marketing strategy, another great training video, folks. Do indeed watch it. It's only 21 minutes long. And then execute upon it. Apply and implement, okay? And you're going to see short-term success versus long-term success. You can review and evaluate that, and that will help you and give you direction to build your Cliqly business, okay? This is another option for sending. If you want to evaluate and review the My Inbox Pro, that's another option here. And then this is where your list of openers is going to be being built, okay? You can go in there anytime you need to. You can check your commissions here. And this is where you can add mailing credits, okay? So that you can build and grow and scale up within your Cliqly business. So everything is here at your disposal, at your fingertips. Just point, click, and get right into it, folks, okay? So again, at the top, live trainings. For those of you who are new or newer or wanting to join, folks, when you do join, I recommend coming in here, starting with this one, and then starting with this one, and then backtracking and going back and learning everything, taking advantage of it, folks. Taking advantage of all these trainings. I mean, look at all these different options, these packages that you have the option. It's all optional to purchase this, folks. So, you buy what you can, you invest, as you're able to. Don't overextend yourself. I mean, whatever you do, don't overextend yourself. And don't make, unwise financial decisions. Just take this at your own pace in accordance with your time and your budget. But the main thing is, folks, this is here and it's helping a lot of people, folks. Okay, these are all different optional, marketing email packages you can purchase. And here's a training, and then backtrack, then plug into the 25th, plug into the 18th, and plug into the 11th of last month, folks. Okay, But that's what I would highly, highly recommend. And then definitely explore and execute on this new CPA, because I see lots of proof and lots of testimonials. People are getting great results. They're loving these CPA offers because they pay more than the CPC, which is the cost per click. So why not, folks? Why not take advantage of it? Why not explore this and put it into motion, put it into action? So with that being said, folks, thank you so very much for allowing me to come back in here and continue to talk and get the word out and share, folks, okay? SimpleDailyProfits.net. Again, my link will be below. All you have to do is enter your best email address. You'll come inside. You'll be redirected to my bridge page. You'll be able to see some proof for yourself, what is possible. And then there'll be a button there for you to click, and you're going to come right into the Cliqly sales page where you can watch a video, review some additional information with live member testimonials, and then get started. Get yourself upgraded today, folks. Only $97. You can have yourself a very simple automated business in a box, folks. Everybody, in my opinion, can send an email. That's one of the ways to get paid, folks. The click side of the business, that's what I do every single day. I work my list building credits and I work my pro credit side. I share this as an affiliate. I've got a great funnel to be able to do that with ease. It's very automated. It just works amazingly well. You don't have to talk to anybody. That's what I love about this system, folks. It works on autopilot. Okay, and then now we have the CPA side that is really kicking in and serving our membership very well. I'm going to be honing in on that and building the CPA side of the business. Okay, so we've got CPC, CPA, and affiliate. 3 great ways to earn inside of one wonderful, simple, yet powerful system. So until my next video, folks, the link will be below. Come on through. Should you need to reach me, my contact information will be there. And I wish you the best of luck, much continued success. See you on the inside. Would love to welcome you in advance to Cliqly and to my Cliqly team. I'm here to help you any way that I can. I've been doing email marketing for many, many years, folks. I'm very familiar with it, and this opportunity has been nothing but a blessing. I am so thankful and grateful and counting my blessings every single day for everything that Bobby does and all of his dedication, devotion, and commitment to the membership base of Cliqly. Until my next video, you take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.